Dear baby girl, a smart single woman pays her bills on time. Paying your bills on time helps establish a good credit rating. It also proves you are financially responsible enough to be trusted with additional credit if you ever need it. A good credit rating may also be instrumental to improving the quality of life you enjoy and providing access to funds if needed to launch a business venture. So pay your credit card bills on time, pay your car note on time, pay your utility bills on time, pay your cell phone bill on time, pay your home mortgage on time, and make your student loan payments on time. As you make timely bill payments, periodically review your credit file. Make sure creditors report your payment history accurately and timely. If you find errors, take immediate steps to have the information corrected. If your credit score is low, seek credit counseling and start taking steps to improve your credit score. A good credit rating can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.